Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Alright, I've got something good to share with you guys this week. If you guys haven't already seen this was in live beta for some time now, and now things are a little bit more stable, and I'd like to share this with you guys. Basically, Ikan Bilis is actually a prop trading firm based here in Singapore, and we're looking to fund traders. And currently, if you join our Discord channel and engage with the community, you are able to get a free challenge, which usually costs $89, right? This will get you funded upwards of $10,000, and as you reach milestones, you able to get up to $100,000 in trading funds. So there are a lot of other prop trading firms out there. However, some are scams, and some and most do not have a very fair evaluation mechanism. So please do check us out and come say hi in the Discord channel. And if you'd like to know more information about this, you could check out our Medium. Look at the post. But basically, right now, if you join the Discord channel, we are giving out our token, which can be exchanged for a free trading challenge. So please do check us out. Dollar yen, the question is this line going to hold? This pair has been trading in this ascending channel for the longest time ever, and we are at an inflection point. We were expecting this downwards move to bring further downside. It didn't. It held support and then moved up higher. It's fine, we close our trade in a profit. But what holds for the future of this pair? Our bias is towards the downside. For early next week, we want to see a short pump, hopefully see some kind of pin bar reversal near 112.5, after which we expect price to dump to retest the bottom of the channel. Now for the bull case, if price does break out of the channel, it's fine. We will just wait for retrace and then ride the price up. And if it does, then we will target 114.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.